The following protocol describes methods for polishing TrueDent dentures while minimizing changes to their original dimensions. Preserving these dimensions, including the intaglio and cameo surfaces, is critical for ensuring the reproducibility of the denture. The tools that are required to polish a denture prosthetic include a medium Scotch-Brite brush, a cotton buff, a standard stiff bristle brush wheel, volcanic or synthetic pumice, a B20 brush wheel with wooden or plastic hubs, a B12 brush wheel with wooden or plastic hubs, muslin polishing buff wheels, polishing compound, and polishing cream. The first step in the finishing process is to smooth the surface of the palate and the lingual flanges using a medium Scotch-Brite brush. Use light pressure with a medium RPM speed setting. Start on one side and move methodically and efficiently to the other side. Ensure to polish between each tooth and the palate. Do not polish the border. Once the base surface has been smoothed, use a wet buff wheel on a polishing lathe with medium volcanic pumice to refine the denture base. Mix the pumice with water to create a slurry. Apply the volcanic pumice slurry to the denture and then use the wet buff wheel to refine the denture surface finish. Polish all tooth surfaces and the palate. Use medium pressure on a medium to high RPM speed setting. Again, avoid polishing the border. After you have completed the Pumice Pre-Polishing, change the wet wheel to a standard B12 or B20 brush wheel to pre-polish interproximal and gingival margin surfaces. Use the brush wheel to polish in between each tooth. Also polish the tops of each tooth. Pre-polishing these areas will reduce staining and extend the life of the denture. You will need to swap the wheel out for a felt cone to assist with deep vaulted contours. This will ensure the maxillary palates with deep vaulted contours are also properly prepared. Once you have polished all the areas, thoroughly rinse the dentures to remove any residual pumice slurry. To prepare for polishing, gently use compressed air to dry the denture. Polish the dentures using a dedicated small muslin buff wheel on a high-speed polishing lathe. Add the polishing bar to the buff wheel. Polish the buffo and labial base surfaces. This reduces and eliminates any rough surface scratches before high-shine polishing the denture. Finish by high-shine polishing the denture with cream. Apply the polish cream to the base and the teeth to prepare for the high-shine polishing. Use a new dedicated 4x30 muslin buff wheel for cream on low speed until the denture base and teeth have a high lustrous polish. As an optional step, you can use a steamer to remove any residual polish. The finished dentures will have a high sheen. The prosthetic is now ready to be sent to the patient's dentist. Thanks for watching.